He was 19, broke, no job, no degree. But he had one thing: Wi-Fi. Instead of scrolling, he searched how to make money online with no experience. The first idea? Flipping. He started small: garage sales, thrift stores, Facebook Marketplace, bought an old camera for $10, sold it on eBay for $60, then shoes, then books. Every dollar he earned, he reinvested. No spending, no excuses. By month 2, he made his first $500. But here's the real lesson: he didn't wait for a job offer. He offered value. You don't need followers, funding, or fancy degrees. You need action. The internet doesn't care where you come from. It rewards those who solve problems. And flipping? That was just the start. He later learned copywriting, freelancing, built digital products. Today, that same broke teen runs a 6-figure digital brand. Action step: this week, flip one item. Anything. Start small. Old books, electronics, sneakers. List it. Sell it. Repeat. The money you're looking for? It's already around you. You just have to move. Subscribe to The Inner Light for real hustle stories and the mindset behind every dollar earned.